Hello everyone, my name is Ryan again with IowaClassicCars and welcome back to the channel. The truck is warming up today. It's another 8-degree day here in Iowa. I'm getting real sick of this weather, but it is what it is. Today we're going to rescue 4 cars. Well, technically 3 cars today, 1 car next weekend. But you'll see them all today. The story is that the property has been sold. It's right on the outskirts of town. And they basically said if you don't buy the cars, we're hauling it to the scrapyard. So some of them are 90s and 2000s cars, which I don't really care too much about. Those can go to the scrapyard, you know, for all I care. But there is a 1970 Olds with a 350 Rocket, a 1966 Chevy Belair, a 1967 Cutlass Convertible, and a 1980s Buick with a 455 in it. So we're going to let the truck warm up. I'll show you guys the building quick, and then we'll hit the road and we'll save some cars. So here's the building update for everyone. 1 week later, all the poles are set. But here is the shop. It's a 50 by 80 with one service door there, 1 service door right here, and the entryway will be right there. So be a pretty cool shop. It is way taller than I thought it was going to be. It's actually taller than the house. But yeah. Here's all the steel siding and the wood and all that good stuff. So next week they'll be making some good progress. Anyways, let's go pick up some cars. All right, so here's the first one here. It's a 1966 Belair. Don't want to break the door handle. This car's a 6-cylinder, 3-speed. So there's a 6-cylinder. No, it's the motor's stuck right now, but we can get it going. Yeah. We'll be able to get it going. It's a nice solid patina body. Needs an interior, but the frame is pretty nice. So we're gonna move it with the truck, and this will be the first car to take home here today. Here's the second car. It's a 70 Olds Delta 88 4-door sedan. It's got a 350 Rocket now. This door did open a couple days ago. There we go. Pretty sanitary. It's all there. It's blue on blue. Somebody did a not so good paint job here on the these hoods are massive. But it's a 350 Olds and spins by hand, so it should be fairly easy to get this one going. It's not too bad a shape either. So that's car number 2. So here's the third car. This is a 1966 Olds Cutlass Convertible. More or less a good donor car. Missing a lot of the parts. No seats, no steering column. The floors are in okay shape. Doors are okay. Front clip is okay. Windshield and the windshield trim is nice. So yeah, we're gonna get this one loaded, and this one is car number 3. And the last one we'll be getting today is not the Riviera, but this 1985 Buick. And yeah, it's a 4-door and it's an 80s Buick and doesn't have a whole lot going for it. You know, it does have a power seat, I suppose. But the cool thing is, if we can get the hood open, someone has swapped a 455 into this thing. The guy said, you know, I want the motor and trans back, but you can have the car. So I said, okay, we're gonna film this one probably in a couple weeks. See if we can get it to run again for him before we give the motor back to him. But yeah, it's pretty cool that someone put a 455 big block in an 80s Buick. Definitely a sleeper car. Anyways, let's get the Cutlass home and let's get rolling. All right, so the first one is back here, the 66 Belair. And everyone said to me, Ryan, why did you buy that piece of crap right there? Well, you know what? Everything works out for a reason. That one's got a beautiful blue hood. Hell, even pretty nice fenders, really. Same color blue. I might replace the hood on this and swap them. Put the interior in this car. Hell, even the same hubcaps. Pretty neat. The guy I got it from, he told me that his grandpa bought it brand new. He was a doctor and always drove Buicks, but he bought this car just because of how cheap it was. 6-cylinder, 3-speed. It's a radio delete car. No options whatsoever. The door panels are actually in okay shape. Probably just use a cleaning. The seats, though, are torn up, but hell, that car's got a good pair of seats right there. So if we can get this motor unstuck and get it running, we will put some good tires on it, swap the interior. This is an awesome patina cruiser. I love this. You know, the primer's showing through. It's got some patina, it's got some rust, but this would be a hell of a nice cruiser. All right, let's go get car number 2, the 1970 Olds Delta 88. Even with 4 acres, I'm starting to kind of run out of room here. Got the Chevy row. The 59 is not sold. The white and red 61 is not sold. The blue 61 is going to California. This maroon 62 is going to California. That 60 Olds right there, that's a parts car. The Buick, 59 Buick, is going to North Carolina. The 66 here is a donor, then going out to Nebraska. I'm going to trade it for a 59. That 62 and this 64 both going to Sweden. Here is the 65, or I'm sorry, the 66 and the 70 I picked up today. This is such a cool car. I love this thing. I've never seen a 70 Delta 88. You have to put some good tires on it, but she'll run. 66, the back end of this car. Such a good looking pair. The El Camino, she's still available for parts or for whole. The red 62 had to lose its spot in the garage during that winter storm, but it's going to Sweden. There's that 59 Buick, 225 with air conditioning. This 59 flat top is going to Sweden. The 59 Belair back there is an AC parts car donor. And then all the way back there is a 59 Buick LeSabre that someday we'll film trying to tear the engine apart and get it to run again. But yeah, a lot of things happening here at the farm. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like rating, comment your favorite car out of the bunch here. And if you're brand new, make sure to subscribe, as I am always finding and buying old cars. Thanks everyone for watching. My name is Ryan, and I will catch you next time.